Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Cancer na mangyayari sa July 6, 2024, 6:57 ng umaga Philippine time. Ayan. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan. So, itong new moon, alam naman natin, no, if you are into astrology, new moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new doorways, new adventure. Ayan. So, itong reading na to, maaring makaresonate sa mga Virgo sun or moon, pero mas accurate siya sa mga Virgo rising. Okay? Kasi ganun talaga pag astrology reading, nagbe-base tayo sa rising sign. So, kung hindi niyo pa alam kung ano yung inyong rising sign, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, no? Paki-check nyo na lang. Yes, so let's see. So for you, Virgo, itong new moon in Cancer is going to happen in your 11th house, which is the house of friendship, groups, community. So maaring ngayong panahon na to, ngayong new moon in Cancer, you will be more outgoing, no? Pwedeng mas lalo kang magiging friendly, friendly talaga. You will gain more friends, you will be part of a group, sasali ka sa isang club or membership, even yung mga mga yung mga shopping memberships like SNR, Landers, ganyan. So, yung iba naman maaring you are going to realize what you really want to do in life. Kasi yung iba, di ba, inabot na sila ng katandaan nila. Hindi pa rin nila alam kung ano yung gusto nilang gawin sa buhay nila. Kasi bata pa lang tayo, no, yung iba, pinoprogram na, ito ang dapat mong gawin. Kailangan mong mag-aral, tapos graduate, magtrabaho, mag-asawa, mag-anak, alam mo yun. So, minsan hindi na natin alam what do we really want, no? Kung maaalala nyo nung bata pa kayo, like nung siguro mga 5, 6, 7, 8 years old, yun yung mga times na mapapansin mo kung ano yung interest mo eh. Pero sobra pa kasing bata nung ganong edad. Kaya minsan akala ng parents ay laro-laro lang sa kanila. Kasi like for me, no, ang naalala ko nung bata ako, mahilig akong gumawa ng mga lesson plans. Gagawa ako ng mga mga lesson sa cartolina, sa Manila paper, tapos tinuturuan ko yung mga pamangkin ko. And then ginagaya ko rin yung mga news anchor, yung binabasa akong dyaryo. May binabasa akong dyaryo. Tapos kunyari, yun yung dinideliver ko na 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 news. Oo. So, kinuwento ko na talaga, no? So, parang ganon. Balikan nyo yung ganong interest nyo ng bata kayo kung maaalala nyo pa. Kasi, most likely, yun yung direction, yun yung destiny ninyo, yun yung life's purpose ninyo. Yeah. Kasi, kumbaga ako, marami rin ako naging mga experiences, like naging trabaho, but mas nagtagal ako or mas nakahanap ako ng fulfillment anything related to communication, sharing ideas, teaching, mentoring, coaching. So, pag naisip mo, oo nga, no? Siguro nga, ganun talaga. Yun yung, So, yun yung alalahanin ninyo. May backstory pa ako eh. Kasi 11th house is about your hopes, your dreams, what you really want, yung aspirations mo. So, ngayong new moon in Cancer, you will realize what you really want. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, romance, and money. So, you will realize kung ano yung mga binavalue mo sa buhay. Ano talaga yung importante sa'yo. And marami itong mga positive aspects sa Saturn tsaka sa Mars, no? Mars is the planet of action, initiation, also yung iyong inspiration. Yan. So, meron siyang sextile dito sa ninth house, which is, ninth house is ito yung area of life ng learning. This is also higher education. Maaring meron kang mga marirealize na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay kasi nandun pala yung interest mo. So, yung iba mag-aaral, pwedeng personal research or online classes, anything that will enrich your mind, no? Yung iba naman, this can mean yung mga belief system ninyo, no? Maaring meron kayong mga bagong belief system related sa religion, spiritual practice, and some of you maari ring ipupursue niyo na yung pangarap niyo na makapag-abroad kasi may pagkakataon kayo na magawa yan ngayon. And then you have Saturn in Pisces in the 7th house. Saturn is in retrograde right now. So I think ito rin yung time na pinagmumuni-munihan mo kung masaya ka ba sa relationship na meron ka. At ano yung plano mo sa relationship na to moving forward? Is this something serious? Is this something na you want to keep for life, no? But if you're single, possible rin na, kumbaga, i-reassess mo yung sarili mo kung kailangan mo pa ba ng partner ngayon o hindi pa muna, next time na lang muna, 'di ba? Kasi yung iba akala nila laging kailangan nila ng romantic partner eh. It's not always the case. Mas madalas pa nga na yung mga tao na always wanting to have their partners, mas lalong nagiging miserable yung buhay nila kasi inaasa nila yung happiness, fulfillment, contentment nila sa iba. But for some of you, you are going to reassess or realize if this relationship is worth it ba o, worth it ba siyang ipaglaban o masaya ka na sa situation na meron ka if you are not in a relationship. Okay, so just take whatever resonates. You have the Eight of Wands. Ayan, marami kang ganap. Oh my, the moon na naman. So, I think medyo magiging maaapektuhan kayo ng energy ng new moon in Cancer talaga. It seems na it's time for you to take action. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring magte-take action kayo dahil sa bugso ng damdamin nyo. So, syempre, may mga times na maganda yan, may mga times na hindi. Lalo na kung ito ay medyo aggressive na pamamaraan. Example, naging sensitive ka and nainis ka and hindi mo napigilan yung sarili mo, nakapagsalita ka ng hindi maganda sa isang tao and eventually it will create conflict, 'di ba? So, kumbaga, pay attention to your emotions, your thoughts para makaiwas sa issue. Uy, you have the devil. This is energy ng Capricorn and also Cancer energy, and you have the High Priestess Pisces energy. Wow, okay. So, some of you, Virgo, meron kayong mga, parang diving deeply into yourself to eh. You will finally realize kung what is holding you back. Ano yung dahilan kung bakit hindi mo natutupad yung pangarap mo, hindi mo na-achieve yung goals mo. Maaring meron kang mga unhealthy habits that you have to let go of. Kasi most of the time, itong mga unhealthy habits na to, ito yung nagiging blockage sa atin from achieving our goals and dreams at para ma-improve natin yung ating mga sarili. So ngayon, you will be more careful. Kumbaga, you are reassessing your situation. Actually, yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na. Oo, alam nyo na kung ano ang pumipigil sa inyo, no, na maipursue yung gusto ninyo. Kailangan na lang talaga dyan is yung pag-acknowledge ninyo. You have dog. Dog energy is a true, loving, lasting friendship. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you will have a person in your life or you have a person in your life na talagang masasabi mong BFF mo. Kahit ano pa yung connection mo sa kanya, whether romantic partner mo or family. Itong mountain na to is about your parang meron kang i-overcome na challenge sa buhay mo. Dito mo mas makikita yung lakas mo sa pag-overcome ng challenge na yan. You also have the star. Wow, this really makes sense, no? Kasi Ang 11th house is also related sa stars, which is your hopes and dreams, no? You are going to shine bright. Shine bright like a diamond. Oo. So, this is also success, and also, yung iba, you will experience good health. At time for healing. Oh, speaking of good health, you are healing. Can be physical healing, emotional healing, spiritual healing. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yes. So, kung ano man tong challenges na to na na-experience mo, patapos na yan, na-overcome mo na. So, claim mo na lang na tapos na yung challenge and you are now ready to move forward and start something new. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.